Hello everyone, myself Preeti Mundra. Today I am going to teach you English of 6th class. The name of the book is Honeysuckle, which is prescribed by NCERT, and the chapter name is Who Did Patrick Homework. This is the story of a little boy who do not like to do homework. Let us begin the chapter. Patrick never did homework. He feel too bored to do it. He liked to play hockey, basketball and Nintendo. Nintendo is a type of video game. His teachers always told him, Patrick, do your homework, otherwise you would not learn a thing. And it's true. If we will not do our homework, we cannot learn anything. Sometimes Patrick himself feel like an ignoramus. Ignoramus means a person who is uneducated or less educated. But what could he do? He hated to do homework. Patrick also will be knowing that doing homework is a good thing, but what could he do? He hated to do the homework. What he saw one day he found his cat is playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. Grabbed means to jump over something to catch it. झपट कर किसी चीज़ को पकड़ना. The cat grabbing on the little doll. To his surprise, it was not a doll. Actually, the cat is playing with the little doll. It was not actually the little doll. It was a tiniest man, a very small size man. He had a little wool shirt with a old-fashioned breeches. Old-fashioned breeches means a type of trouser, a old type of trouser, and a high, tall hat on its head. In these lines, writer told about the outer appearance of the tiniest man. He wore a wool shirt and a old type of trouser and a long hat on its head. And he yelled. Yelled means shouting for help. He was shouting, save me, don't give me back to that cat. He was frightening from the cat and he asked Patrick, please don't give back to me this cat. And he said that if you will not give me to this cat then I can fulfill your wish. Patrick could not believe how lucky he was. Actually, Patrick was searching a person who can help him in his work. So he could not believe on himself that he got a genie. Genie is a person who used to fulfill our all wishes. So Patrick is thinking that he got a genie who will help him in all over the things. Patrick could not believe him how lucky I am. Here was the answer of all of his problems. So he said, only you have to do my homework till the end of the semester, that is 35 days. Patrick have to complete his homework within 35 days. So he asked Patrick asked to Alf. Alf is the name of the tiniest man. He asked Alf to complete his homework within 35 days and he said, if you will do this much for me then I could even get A grade. We are also getting grade for our performance in the school. So Patrick want A grade for his homework. He asked Alf to complete his homework nicely within 35 days so he can get the A grade. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown into the hamper. Actually, when the little tiniest man, he heard about the wish of Patrick that he have to complete his homework within 35 days, he don't like this offer. His face looked like a dishcloth, a waste cloth after rubbing the plate, somebody thrown it into the dustbin. And he kicked his leg. When we are in the anger mode, we used to kick on the floor. So that Alf also kicked the leg and doubled his fist and he grimaced and scowled and pursed the lips. गुस्से में बड़बड़ाना, होठों को मिलाना. And oh, I am crushed. He said, I am crushed. I don't want to do it, but I will do it. But still, as he promised to fulfill the wish, he said, I will do it for you. And true to his word, as Alf promised to Patrick that he will fulfill his wish, He said, I will do it for you. Except there was one glitch. Glitch means a fault is in the machine. He agreed to do the homework, but there was a glitch that he did not always know what to do. Always, Alf said that I always did not know what to do. In this situation, you have to help me. He would say, and Patrick would have to help. Whenever he asked for the help, Patrick have to help the elf. I don't know this word. And as he started to doing the homework, he got a word, and Alf asked Patrick, what is the meaning of this word? I am not getting. So go to the library, get me a dictionary, and know what's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter. He asked Patrick that you should know the meaning of this word and how to pronounce it, and by each letter you have to tell me. Now in the sixth point, next is when it comes to math. When the maths turn came, Patrick was out of luck. It means Patrick was also very weak in the maths. What are the times, how to find the times, and what are the tables? He don't know anything about it. And the elf also shrieked. Shrieked means he shouted in a high pitch. He started to shout in the high pitch, loud sound. We elves never need that. The tiniest man said that we tiny peoples never used maths. So we don't know addition, subtraction, and division and fraction. So he asked Patrick to sit beside me. He asked Patrick to sit with me. You simply must guide me. You have to guide me that how to do and what to do. Elves know nothing of human history, and Elf also said that I don't know anything about the human history. It's a mystery for us. Mystery means they don't know anything about it, like a magic. So the little elf, already a shouter, already the little elf used to shout, and now it become more louder. He asked, go to the library, I need books, more and more books. He asked Patrick to go to the library and bring more and more books for searching these words and to reading this, and you can help me read them too. You have to go to the library, bring the books and read it. As a matter of fact, every day in every way. Actually, what was happening, as the elf was doing the homework of Patrick have to work very hard day by day, and it became a nag. Nag means the person who gave trouble day by day. It means the elf became a person who is giving trouble Patrick day by day. Patrick was working harder than ever. It means before that Patrick never did such kind of work. Now he is working so hard. He was staying up to the nights he was working, and he had never felt so worry. Before that he was never worried about his homework. But with the help of elf, he started to work with the very hard, and so he had never felt so worry, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. When he went to school, his eyes was so much puffed, his eyes swelled, सूज गई उसकी आंखें. Finally, the last day of school arrived, and the elf was free to go. Actually, the elf gave promise that he will complete his work in 35 days, and within 35 days he have completed the homework, and the last day came. Now elf can go back to his house. The last day came and he was free to go. There was no more work. He have completed all the work within 35 days. So he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door, and he was sleeping at the back side of the door, very quietly, peacefully and slyly. It means secretively. Nobody will be knowing about it. Secretly he slept near the back door. Patrick got his A grade. Patrick got A grade for his good performance. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. In these lines, writer told about the feedback from the others. When he showed the homework, what was the expression of the teachers and his classmates and his parents? The parents were also very happy when they got that Patrick got the A grade for his good performance. The parents also feel proud on Patrick, but they were surprised also how Patrick can be changed this much. He was now the model kid, but after doing this homework very nicely, he became the good kid, a good boy, and he never rude. He used to speak very peacefully to the others, and cheerfully he used to do his homework and the other work. He did his chores. Chores means of the work related to the household. It means he started to arrange the books and to clean his room and the other activities also for helping his mother and those the person who used to do like the good boys and girls. He had developed a whole new attitude. His attitude is properly changed. You see, at the end, the Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. Up to the last, the Patrick was thinking the work has been done by the elf. But you know the secret. I will share a secret with you, just between you and me. Don't tell it to Patrick. Patrick was thinking that work has been done by the elf. But what was the true line? Patrick himself do his work because he has worked harder and harder day by day. He searched all the words himself. He will be knowing all the meaning, pronunciation, and he helped to completing the homework of elf. So who has completed the homework? Patrick himself. But what he was thinking? He was thinking that elf helped him to complete the homework. Actually, he helped, but he did not complete all the homework. Patrick himself completed. The writer of this story is Carol Murray, who is an American poet. So bye bye. Learn this chapter, read it by yourself. Bye bye.